Delicious cold brew coffee. It's different than iced coffee. We all know that. Iced coffee, also good. Cold brew, chef's kiss. I am going to walk you step by step how to make the perfect cold brew coffee concentrate using this 1 gallon cold brew coffee maker from Zulay Kitchen. This concentrate is going to get you a 1-to-1 ratio, meaning you'll pour half a glass and then fill the rest with water or cream, water and cream, milk, whatever your preference is with your cold brew. So 1-to-1 ratio, concentrate, don't drink it straight. Let's go. First tip for making a cold brew concentrate or cold brew coffee in general is you want to use a coarse ground. Cold brew steeps for hours and hours. So the longer it steeps, the more brewed your coffee is going to be. We want a nice coarse ground because it's going to really soak into all the beans and it's going to result in a smoother, less bitter coffee flavor in the end. Next thing is we want to get the ratio right. For a gallon of concentrate, you're going to use a pound of coffee. Switch that to pounds and ounces. Ooh, let's do it. Now here's the thing. You can use cold water and this will turn out fine. You can use warm to hot water and this will turn out fine. Since you're letting it steep for so long, that's what's really gonna make or break your flavor. Here we go. I'm pouring it down the center just to start, just because I wanna get everything soaked right off the bat. I'm just gonna use the lid, set this on there. Hot water's in. Now let me show you how much this raises the water, right? So it doesn't take up a ton. I'm just gonna use cold water for the rest. Test. This is good enough. We're making concentrate, so this is gonna last longer than if it were just 1-to-1. This can last for up to a couple of weeks and still have great flavor, a lot of benefits to making a concentrate. This is it. That's all you gotta do. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and we're gonna leave it for several hours, minimum 8 to 10 hours. If you wanna go full hog, do 24. That's gonna give you a really strong cold brew concentrate. Now this update is very late in coming. I kind of forgot to film the last part of it and look how much is left. It's almost gone. It is true that when you take the mesh thing out after letting this sit in the refrigerator, if you let it sit in there beyond that, it's likely to make the coffee taste more bitter. That's it. This is the Zulay Kitchen cold brew maker. So nice.